Greetings. Today I'm going to show you how to create an imitation texture of old wood. You can use this type of texture when creating stands for your figurines or miniatures. I will demonstrate it with this example of this base I will make for a figurine. A full video on this figurine will come out a little later. So, let's get started. The first thing we do is to form a base for the future wooden pieces and place each one in its place. Then we divide the main cloth into parts, forming separate boards, and mark on them the direction of the fibers. You can diversify the pattern of wood with the texture of a cut knot, but it should be taken into account that the wood fibers in this place will form an arc around the knot, and not just cross it on its way. In fact, do not get hung up on each line separately and try to copy the direction of the fibers from a particular board. Show your imagination. Then, along the course of the fibers, we try to make the line was uneven in its depth and almost interrupted in some areas. When most of the work is done, you can lightly smooth the surface with solvent using a soft brush. It is important not to overdo it here. When the solvent has completely evaporated from the surface of the clay, make light accents, renewing the course of the fibers in some places, and add radial cracks on the cut knots after baking. You can use a scalpel to gently add texture if needed. This is what the plastic replica looks like. I hope this video was helpful. Feel free to write in the comments how you like this format and what else you'd like to see. See you soon.